Looking for the easiest way to use today's top AI tools? You're in the right place. Welcome to GlobalGPT, your one-stop hub for AI creation. Sign in to your GlobalGPT account to get started. Let's take a look at how GPT-4.1 can generate daily reports in seconds, based on just a few key details. We'll start with a real-world prompt based on a typical day in product operations. Let's enter the prompt. As a product operations manager, summarize today's key activities. Now let's formalize the tone and extend the detail, perfect for a stakeholder summary or manager-level update. Rewrite this report in a more formal, executive-ready tone, adding analytical phrasing and summarizing the strategic impact of each task. Once the report is ready, you can save it, copy it to your clipboard, or use it as a template for the next day. Before we go, here are 3 quick prompt tips. Use bullet points for clear inputs. Add the recipient to adjust tone. Include timeframes to help GPT summarize context. Try it today and unlock your AI potential. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart AI tutorials.